So I have here some sardines. I'm going to cook this with soup. I have the ingredients, and of course the water. Yeah, the water. Sasabawan ko siya, kaya let's go! Magluluto muna ako ngayon kasi mamaya is maglalaba ako. Yes, maglalaba ako ngayong araw. So, mag-aalmusal muna kami. So, our breakfast is ready. We're now going to eat because it's already 8 a.m. and we're so hungry. So, this is our breakfast. The sardines with talbos ng kamote. Yes, yeah. Simple but healthy breakfast. So, let's eat, everybody. This is the weather here today. It's sunny today, but not that strong sun. So hello guys, this is the backyard. I cleaned it earlier. I sweep the backyard and front yard. So yeah, malinis na siya tingnan kasi nagwalis ako kanina. Sorry. And dito rin sa loob is malinis na rin kasi nagliligpit ako dito kanina. So this is just a update here in our province. So this is the ito na yun. Binabas ko pala yung washing machine ko kasi maglalaba ako today. So update ko na lang kayo mamaya.